Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jasmine, aka Dash of Jazz, and I talk all about cooking, traveling, and living well. Today I'm trying something a little bit different. I get lots of feedback on my videos, and one common theme is that some folks seem to find my voice to be soothing, and I'm happy to oblige. I always want to make content that you're looking for. So today I am trying out an ASMR style cooking video. So I will give you a voiceover here and there, but it will mainly be the sounds of me preparing my Suya spiced Brussels sprouts. I will link the recipe for this in the video description in case you want to try it afterward. But let's jump into me trimming and having about 1 pound of Brussels sprouts. Now for this recipe, I'm going to coat the Brussels in some avocado oil or any other kind of oil that has a high smoke point, and then I'll season them really generously with 3 to 4 tablespoons of my Suya, aka Yaji spice. I do have a video on how to make this already on my channel. I also have a recipe blog post, again, in case you're interested. You'll see that in a moment, and I slowed down the addition of the Suya spice because the sound is just so satisfying. And if you're new to my channel, I specialize in easy recipes that fit into my full schedule. I like to make them very delicious and also to make sure that they reflect my heritage when possible, which is Nigerian and Black American. Okay, this is where we're going to add the Suya, aka Yaji spice. And now the Brussels sprouts will go into the oven for a nice roast. They'll come out perfectly crispy and beautifully charred. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the comment section. I would love to hear from you and to know if you want to see more videos like this. Again, I'm happy to oblige. Last but not least, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.